Welcome back to the Gentle Machine. Back to the space where we spend a little time with the interesting systems all around us, simply noticing how they exist. And this episode begins with interruption. A sound, a vibration, a message that appears unexpected and uninvited. A system alert. Let's begin to understand what one is and what it's trying to do together. Sometimes a system notices something, a quiet moment of awareness. It notices this change, not because it is afraid. There is no fear in the machine, and not because it is confused. Confusion is not a part of its design, but because the system notices that something is different. Only different. When we talk about system alerts, can sound as if a machine has realized that something is wrong, as if it has become clever or sensed danger. But this is not what is happening. That is our story, not the system's. System alert is not concern or worry. There is a difference between an alert and an alarm. We often use the words as if they mean the same thing, but they are designed for very different listeners. An alarm is built for humans. It uses sound, colour, and urgency as a means to interrupt, to demand attention, to rise above whatever else is happening. An alert is built for a system. It demands nothing. It simply escalates by default and records a difference. Where an alarm says, "Act now," an alert says, "Take note." An alarm assumes a response is required. An alert makes no such assumption. Most alerts are never meant to be heard by humans at all. They exist to keep the system informed about itself. They live their entire lives without an audience. They appear, they are recorded, they resolve. No screen lights up, no sound is made, no one is notified. The system notices something and then notices that it has passed. These are moments of self-correction. Observe, adjust, continue. Most of the system's awareness exists this way, private and unseen, doing its work without asking to be noticed. This is why alerts feel quieter, calm, neutral, observant. They are designed to raise a machine's awareness rather than its voice. Every system is built with an idea of what normal looks like. A baseline, place of rest, range of values, a set of expectations. In other words, a comfortable space in which to operate. The system quietly measures itself against these expectations. It asks itself a silent question. Is this moment like the last? And it asks itself this question over and over, again and again, in a loop of gentle self-reflection. When something drifts outside that range, when a value gently moves past its boundary, an alert appears. It appears softly, a quiet observation that something has changed. Most alerts are small, very small, almost insignificant. A temperature rises slightly, a subtle warmth. Our process slows, taking a moment longer to complete its task. A value lingers longer than expected. In these moments, nothing stops, nothing breaks. The system continues to operate while it notices. Its work carries on. Its steady rhythm is maintained. This noticing is not added later like an afterthought. It is built in from the beginning, woven into the fabric of the system itself. When systems are designed, they are designed with awareness, with foresight. Engineers ask not only how the system should work, but how it will recognize when it is working differently. So they give the system a way to know itself. Alerts are part of the system's own gentle consciousness. A one-on-one private conversation, one that is logged, recorded and cleared. brief record that something passed through a boundary and then returned. Just a whisper in the archive. No intervention required. The system managed itself and found its way home. Alerts also live on very different timescales. Some exist for less than a second. Others remain quietly present for hours, days, or longer. The system does not experience them as waiting. It doesn't become impatient or bored. An alert that lasts a millisecond and one that lasts a year are treated with the same calm attention. This is why alerts do not feel urgent to the machine. Duration does not imply danger. Persistence does not imply failure. An alert stays only as long as the difference remains. But despite that difference, they do not interrupt. They sit quietly, available to be read later when there is more time. They trust that the system can continue without urgency. In very important systems, alerts are given special care. They are protected and kept safe. They are often powered separately, backed up by batteries, kept alive even when other parts slow down or switch off. Their small light remains on, not because failure is expected. The system is not pessimistic. It remains on because change is expected. Change is a constant. Even when a system rests, even when it seems to be asleep, its ability to notice remains. It is never truly unaware, and this is what makes system alerts comforting. They are a source of reassurance, a sign of quiet strength. They show us that machines do not wait for collapse to become aware. They do not wait for the breaking point. They notice early at the first sign of a drift. And they notice gently, without alarm, without panic. Sometimes an alert resolves itself, all on its own. A process restarts, a value settles, a path clears, and the balance is restored. The system is not embarrassed by noticing too early. Attention costs it nothing. It is better to observe and release than to ignore and miss. Alerts are designed to notice gently and let go gently. Nothing is lost in the noticing. The alert can then disappear quietly, its purpose fulfilled, and nothing more needs to be done. Other alerts are more like conversations, a silent dialogue between parts of the whole. One part of a system tells another, "This is a little different over here." A simple statement of fact, then adjustments are made, a gentle recalibration. No drama, no alarm. The alert has done its work. Its quiet message has been heard. So you see, system alerts do not mean something has gone terribly wrong. They are not a sign of failure. They just mean something is being watched, and watched with care. Care that was built in from the very beginning. Preparation for the small, inevitable changes of the world. A system that can notice itself is a system that can continue calmly. It is stable, it is resilient, and when everything returns to normal, when the rhythm is steady again, the alerts fade back into the background. They recede and the system carries on. Aware but unconcerned. There is comfort in this quiet attention. The gentle hum of a system that knows itself, that measures its own rhythm and notices when the beat changes. Not with a jolt, but with a soft note, a whisper that says, something is just a little bit different, and that is all. Listen closely to that whisper. It is the sound of care, of quiet technology that is designed to endure. An alert system's process of comparison is indeed very natural. It is how balance is maintained, this moment against the last, and the next moment against this one. A continuous, gentle stream of information. The system alert is just a part of that stream. A drop of water, just noticing it is in a different place. The stream flows on, and the system is at peace, always watching, and always calm. For humans, alerts often feel like stress. They demand interpretation and carry emotional weight. But for systems, alerts are just information. They are not heavy, charged, or personal. A system does not worry about an alert. It does not anticipate consequences. It simply holds the information, then lets go of it when it is no longer relevant. The difference is not in the alert itself, but in how it is received. Machines do not suffer from being informed. They are built for it. And that's where I think we can leave it for today. May your own systems be calm, aware and unconcerned. The alerts will keep watching, quietly, patiently. They'll notice changes, compare states. And speak only when something no longer matches what is expected. Most of the time, nothing will be said. And as you know by now, that silence is not absence, it's confirmation. Thank you for spending this time here with me. For staying with the signals and without needing to respond. Everything is operating as it should. The gentle machine will be back with you soon. Until then, take care.